Hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unveil Universe. So finally Xiaomi is also making that notch. Xiaomi Mi 8 looks very similar to iPhone 10. The size of notch, the camera design and the placement of camera sensor is way too similar to iPhone 10. So let's have a review of the Xiaomi Mi 8. It looks like there are two devices which are floating around the web, one with in-display fingerprint scanner and the other without the in-display fingerprint scanner, which have a fingerprint scanner at the back of the phone. Maybe Xiaomi is going to release two variants of which are Mi 7 and Mi 8. However, the retail box of Xiaomi Mi 8 was leaked and it shows the major features of Xiaomi Mi 8, like it has that Snapdragon 845 which is common among the flagships these days, and it does have that 3D facial recognition, and it is also shipping with AI camera, in-display fingerprint scanner, and it does have 6.1-inch display. The retail box also shows the price of Xiaomi Mi 8 in Chinese yuan, which is about $440 for 6 gig 64 GB internal storage model and $501 for 8 GB and 128 GB internal storage model. So in the end, I would like to conclude that the Xiaomi Mi 8 or Mi 7, they look very similar to iPhone 10. It looks like that they are the best iPhone 10 ripoff until now. So if you like this video, do hit that subscribe button, and you can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. So that's all for today. I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Until then, peace.